Ngayon lang, inulan kami. Langya. Hopefully it'll stop. Oh, this sucks, but it's July 4th. Happy 4th sa inyo. This as it rained. Nakapili muna tayo ng cheesecake. Yung sa pinuntahan nating restaurant kahapon. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Thank you. Trip kayo.
Basa yan.
Inulan, inulan. Ipag pa rin maglakad nito. Ito pala ang party. Basta kuya.
Mulan?
Mulan. Dito pala yung party.
Good na.
Ha?
Good na ko.
Good na ka?
Good na. Mapunta pa si kuya mo.
Whenever she knows just what to do, but girl, she doesn't know.
Oh, I miss our old tents. Kodiak.
Where's the other zipper?
What's up, guys?
Stop, bro!
Bye, guys.
Feet is dirty.
Ew.
You've been up there.
Ew.
Doon nila tinataya. Come.
Are you okay? You like camping? What happened?
Big white shark steak.
Here is cheese. Cannot find him anymore. I found you. Yo, just found out. The whole West Glacier is out of power. Cleanos nila lahat ng mga banyo. That's crazy. We don't know what's going on or anong nangyari. But it's gonna be a dark night today. Pati yung mga banyo madilim. Go for a walk.
I don't like this rain. I don't like.
Kaya ito papunta. What is this place, Jace? Paano mag-zoom?
Excuse me, kuya. gonna go? 13. 13 each. O niya, kung mag-VIP ka, 19, tagaan ka o.
Delikado ka pala dito, tol eh. Baka maging pulutan yun.
Pinipet nila yung goat pulutin.
Bayad?
Sabaw, no?
Parang ang pangit tignan yun.
Ang bango dito ah.
Perez.
It smells good, huh? I knew it. It smells... Something smells good.
Abby? Abby?
Is this like an entrance? Yeah, it's
Should be.
just like there's just like entrance.
Hi.
Ay, Abby.
Oh my gosh. Serena, there's another outside.
That's not food.
I think that's so.
No, sabaan ka.
Over there, come on, go!
No! No, 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 no. No, Daddy.
Huh?
Chompy! Chompy! Chompy!
Abigail! Hello, Abigail!
Hold Chambi.
Ivo, come on, come on!
I'll go with you guys. We're just gonna be behind the fence.
Yeah, where are we going?
The fence though.
Wait lang, wait lang.
What?
Jace! Hello ka, Jace!
Oh my gosh. Look at poop on you.
He's looking for food.
Everybody. Oh my God, you can do that.
Tabi ako.
Ano sabi niya?
Oh my goodness. Come on, Abby, go.
Ivo! Oh, don't jump.
Look, there's baby over there, Abigail. There's baby goat over there.
The baby goats are right there. Baby goat. Where you go?
Ang cute.
Oh my God. There's a bird in the cage. Cutie pie. Oh my God. Look at the deer. Yes. That was my favorite. Baby. Baby sheep. Ah. Baby. That was a very baby sheep. Baby. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look. Other baby. Look a baby sheep. There's a very baby one right there. I need the one on road.
Wow!
That one looks like a deer. This is a tail.
It's cute.
I'm gonna go to my home.
What is it?
Hey, where's the junkie ducky? At the Jesse, look at this one. Oh! All different colors. Oh, don't lick me. Oh my God, it licked me.
You wanna touch?
No.
No? No? Why?
Wanna touch?
Go try it.
Why's it biting me?
It bit you?
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Maybe it thinks you have food in
No,
your
no, no,
hand.
no, no. She wants you.
No, 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 it's going Allah.
No,
Maybe it
no,
thinks
no.
you have food in your hand. Wait, Abby.
Oh, those guys are big.
Wait, let Abigail pet a big goat, mommy. Let Abigail pet.
Hello.
This one on this one. Touch here. You scared?
This is Luke, I think. Wait, no, that's Daisy.
Overwhelmed. I think it's that one. Anna. Hello? You want some grass?
You think he's gonna get it, Jace?
I don't know.
Go call her. Or him? Or there's Olaf.
Can you call them?
Call. Go ahead.
Hello? Some grass? I wonder if they moved their net. Sorry, I guess. hard.
You're scared. No, touch the horn. Oh, he's so nice.
That's so cute.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I think he's looking for food.
Oh, Chundu.
What is that?
I touched his ear. No, don't touch it. Don't. Good. Wow! It keeps licking me.
Ang laki ng dila. It licked Abigail? It licked you?
Dako kay dila. Mapugod ani. Be, kano be?
Say bet, bet, bet.
Call the goat, baby. Call the goats. Call the goats. What do you call them?
Call them.
What did they say? Nauwaw.
Hey.
Ah, use the phone.
Oy, over there. Abigail,
Hi.
they just put their heads out.
I wanna.
Did you touch it?
I wanna-
Jazzy, touch. You scared? Oh, you're not
I don't want it
scared.
to lick me or.
You say thank you after you touch them, see?
Thank you. Don't eat me.
Oh, don't touch the horns, Jazzy says.
I know. It's showing my hand. It doesn't lick me. It's trying to lick me.
There's another one here.
Mommy said it.
Hello. What?
It's trying to
Ang bilis. Yes! Wait! Whoa, Jace, that looks good. I'm excited. Finally, huh? Good? Damn! They broke my cup.
Inside the shop.
Wait, eat muna. Cheers! Cheers! It's okay. Cheers! Go here, Jace. Go here. Ooh, he disappeared. Tol,
E-boy.
may bayad yan, Tol. Okay lang. Diyan ka na lang. Tigakuha ka ng stick.
Target! Target! Hit him!
Okay.
Hold it at the end, baby. At the end. Hold it at the end.
Uy, ako tinamaan.
That's actually. E-boy.
Jace turn.
Jace, go, Chase. Go, yours. Yours.
You guys need to fall in line.
Where?
It's Jace. Marshmallow.
Lumabas na ang araw. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood sa short trip namin ito. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod.